You hit send on a Bitcoin transaction. But have you ever wondered what actually happens next? Well, let's say you're sending some Bitcoin to a friend. You type in the amount, the address, and hit that send button. Now here's the thing. Your transaction doesn't go directly to your friend. It goes somewhere else first. It enters the Bitcoin network, a massive web of computers spread all around the world called nodes. And this is where it gets interesting. Special computers called miners pick up your transaction. Their job? To verify that you actually have the Bitcoin you're trying to send, so they check the details. The amount, your wallet balance, the digital signature. Everything has to match perfectly. Once that's done, your transaction gets bundled together with hundreds of others into something called a block, and that block gets permanently chained to all the previous blocks. That's why it's called a blockchain, and once it's there, nobody can change it. Finally, your friend gets a confirmation. The Bitcoin is now in their wallet. The whole thing? About 10 minutes. And that's it. That's what happens every time you send Bitcoin. If this made things clearer, subscribe to the Block Thesis for more.